James Oxygen and Supply, from residential to industrial, a locally owned family business serving Western North Carolina since 1956.
It's time for Community Focus on the WHKY News. Ralph Mangum here with information on the Kindness Project. Here are Arianna, Mack, and her guests.
Joining WHKY to talk about the upcoming Community Laundry Day, Linda Huffman and Amber Taylor with the Kindness Project of Hickory.
We really appreciate being here. The Kindness Project has been around in the community for a little over a year and a half now. We're a 501c3 nonprofit who is built around volunteers, people, neighbor helping neighbor within the community. We are all volunteers that come together weekly to help those in need within our community. We provide 90 meals weekly on Sunday as part of our outreach program, and we also help with other survival items that are needed and help connect people with resources to help them be lifted up and out of this current situation that they may be in.
This Saturday, April 5th, from 8 to 2, we will be having our 4th Community Laundry Day. It will be at the Brookford Community Laundromat. We'll have breakfast, lunch, full-service laundry, haircuts. We will be providing transportation for our unsheltered. They know where to meet us at, and we will transport them in, help them wash their clothes, get them dried, feed them, let them get a haircut, take them back where they came from. We also have some nonprofit organizations in the area: ICG, Oxford House, Western Piedmont Council of Government, North Carolina Families United, and North Carolina Works that will be there to help individuals that may need assistance in applying for jobs, applying for services in the community.
And what do you hope attendees take away?
One of the big things that we try to offer with our Laundry Day is dignity, because I think, that can lead to a lot. So, we want to offer the individual a chance to come have clean clothes that may help them, with applying for a job or going on a job interview that, again, can snowball into bigger things for them. And it could just be, even not an adult, but a kid having clean clothes to go to school. So I think for us, it's important that we help those in need in our community. And this is a way for us to give back and to help make a difference in someone's life.
Anyone in need of this event, you won't want to miss it. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thanks, Arianna, and thanks to Amber Taylor and Linda Huffman as well. I was hoping they would very kindly come to do my laundry, but oh well. Lindsay Lewis from the Catawba County Library System stopped by the WHKY studios and spoke with Rob Eastwood about events and activities in April.
And joining us, as she does each month, is Lindsay Lewis from the Catawba County Library System as we see what the library has in store for the month of April. We start first, Lindsay, with the celebration of National Library Week. Tell us about it.
Yes, that's right, Rob. And guests can celebrate National Library Week with us during the week of April 6th by sharing what draws you into the library. Libraries are community centers where patrons can engage in entertainment, education, and connection through book clubs, early literacy, movie nights, and workshops. We also play a critical role in lifelong learning by providing technology access and workforce development. Share how the library brings people together, sparks imagination, and supports lifelong learning with friends, neighbors, and elected officials.
Well, piggybacking on this, tell us about what is in store for the library this month for families.
Families are invited to this month's Tales in the Garden at the main library in Newton on Wednesday, April 16th to learn about the water cycle through bilingual stories, crafts, and games. Kids can enjoy a hands-on experience by taking technology apart at the main library in Newton on Tuesday, April 8th, or at the Maiden Branch on Wednesday, April 16th. Also on Tuesday, April 8th, homeschoolers can create blackout poetry at the Southwest Branch, and aspiring scientists can celebrate Earth Month at the Conover Branch.
Well, I know there are a few can't-miss events for the teens as well in April.
That is right, Rob. This month, teens can create junk journals at the St. Stephen's Branch on Monday, April 14th, and design clay minis at the Sherrills Fort Terrell Branch on Tuesday, April 15th. And visit the main library in Newton on Wednesday, April 30th to challenge library staff to Nintendo Switch games. please visit our website or call your local library branch. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, X, Instagram, and YouTube. And don't forget, all branches will be closed in observance of Easter from Friday, April 18th through Saturday, April 19th. Until next time, enjoy the springtime weather, and we will see you at the library.
Thank you, Rob, and thanks to Lindsay as well. For more from Rob and Lindsay, go to the WHKY YouTube channel. Mark Richards of Hickory has won a $320,722 Cash 5 jackpot in the North Carolina Education Lottery. Mr. Richards bought his $1 quick pick ticket from Total Convenience Market on US 70 Southwest in Hickory, a store he had never visited before. He plans to use his winnings to pay for his son's college tuition. His ticket matched all 5 numbers in the March 21st drawing to win the jackpot. The odds of matching numbers on all 5 balls are 1 in 962,598. Mr. Richards claimed his winnings at lottery headquarters on March 26th. After required federal and state tax withholdings, he took home just over $230,000. This has been Community Focus on the WHKY News. On behalf of Arianna, Mack, Rob Eastwood, Jason Savage, and all our guests, I'm Ralph Mangum.